strange, guess. All right, let's talk about strange. Use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. We're going to make a C hand shape from the alphabet. Start here at the side of your face. Just go forward. Just flip it down and have a weird, strange, what the heck's going on look on your face. Strange. Strange. Rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Okay, we talked about strange. Let's talk about guess. Okay, dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Start with a C, but it's a bit more stretched out this time. And we're just going to go in front of our face and close up into a fist. Guess. Guess. It's kind of a quick, it's not just a ah, it's going to be a quick motion. Guess. Guess. Rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. All right, this sign, guess, also works for miss. Like you missed something, not like you miss your aunt or something. You missed the meeting. You missed the ball because you swung and you missed. So, miss. And here we're using it for guess. All right, because if you guess, you might miss the answer. You might get it wrong. Guess. Okay, let's compare these signs. Well, both of them you're going to use your dominant hand and only one hand. C hand shapes for both. Now, strange, you're going to start here and just basically fold it down. Strange. So it's some wrist action there, just going up and down with that lovely facial expression. What? That's weird. Strange. For guess, that C hand shape, a little bit open up, and we're just going to go across and fold up into a fist. Guess. Guess. So all together we have strange, guess. Strange, guess. Strange, guess. Strange, guess. All right, rest position, sign with me. Here we go. Strange, guess. Strange, guess. So we can say, guess has more of an arcing, more movement to it. Strange is just folding over with that facial expression. Strange. Guess. Okay, we just talked about the signs strange and guess. Similar signs. Welcome to ASL Made Simple and Easy. My name is Michael, and I'll be your instructor. I know what you're thinking. Okay, it's an ASL bundle. What do you get? Great question. You get everything. You get access to all of our American Sign Language courses and our American Sign Language downloads. Our goal is to create a fun and relaxed environment for learning American Sign Language, and we focus on beginning and improving signers. So, if you already have some skills in American Sign Language, great. You're going to improve a lot. If you have absolutely no skills whatsoever, great. You're going to improve and learn a lot because our content is designed to include complete beginners.